Hey guys, so this is the second part of my first video. So this one is going to be the 2-in-1 nail dust collector from Melody Susie. I am so excited about this. Okay, so first let's talk about a little bad thing I was going to say about this. But so for the tracking and everything, it was so confusing. This is my first time purchasing from this brand. So I had purchased this and the UV lamp you saw in the other video, and they both didn't come together. I did see that it said note that if you have multiple products that could come separate, but it wasn't. It was confusing because they both had the same tracking number, and then it said it was fulfilled and that they were both shipped to me when I only had received one. So I was like super panicky, but I loved the response I got from Melody Susie through Instagram. They were nice enough to send me a message and, you know, try to keep my ass calm, as you know how we order something and then we're constantly just looking out for that package. So I was so like excited to get it. I was so nervous about not receiving it, and then what made me so happy afterwards, besides them writing to me, was this free gift that they entered inside my package, which I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, okay. And then afterwards I was like, okay, this is bomb, I'm good. So this is a Melody Susie golden nail art liner brushes. It's a 3-piece set. I'm gonna open that in a few, but I want to get to this. So this I ordered because of Lizette Nails. Oh my god, Lizette Gel Nails. You gotta go check her out. She's amazing. She's super cool, and she recommended this, and I love it. So I was like, this is the, like, she has a 10% off discount she has in her videos that you can check on there. And then Melody Susie had already a percentage off on it from the website, so this was a steal to have the drill and fan in one. So in here comes the drill. I heard that the drill that comes with this piece in here is really good because it protects the inside of it, so I like that. And then with the drill then comes this piece, which I'm going to connect in here. This little piece to put on the side. It comes with these little bits here, which I did purchase some other ones. I can't wait to show you guys everything. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, we're going to dump this. We don't need that. And then we're going to get this dust collector. Okay, this is pretty big size. I've seen the other ones that are square. This one's pretty good. I mean, for the price that you get, the quality that I've seen and saw about it on the other videos was pretty great. You can't complain. So we have this. Now I'm going to hook this up because I'm going to do my nails after this. Okay, so the adapter, we're going to place it in here. Okay, and then the drill goes in here. It's not rocket science, right? Okay. Okay, and then here is where you would hook this. Don't break it. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to put this in here. Ta-da! And now that's set, so I do have to hook this up. Which I need to hook on this side, plug in on the right side, but my plugs are on the left. I don't know, I feel like this is... Let me check this out. Need to push it all the way in. So you have some space. Push it in. Okay, now I'll do it better. There you go. Okay, let's plug this in. Maybe I can do it. Not sure how we're going to do this. Okay, so now I have it plugged in. So it shows a little light here that it's on. I don't know if you can see that right here. So this is my first time. This is fucking my video. So it's plugged in, and there's a little light here. So this is my first time using a drill. So I've never used an e-file before. Obviously I've never had a dust collector, all this other stuff. This is all new to me. So this is literally you guys joining me on my nail journey. Yes, I've done acrylic nails before when I was in beauty school, and I stopped doing it. Now I want to focus on doing like polygels and adding tips and doing certain different things, hopefully getting to like builder gels or different type of things. I just don't want to do acrylics because of the smell. It's too strong and I don't want to mess with all that. So on here it shows the power button. Oops. Well, I didn't mean to touch that. And I'm assuming this is what gives this. Oh, that's for the drill. Okay, so put that down. I wanted to see the fan. Okay. Okay, that's like super loud. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on 1. Okay, so that's the lowest setting. Is that even on? No, I think it turned off. Okay, so that's off. This is on. This is confusing. This sounds louder than the other one. There's a lot of air from here, which is pretty good because it's hot in my studio. Okay, so that's loud. I'm assuming this is medium. This is not showing that it's on like this, so. This, I'm assuming, is the reverse for the drill, if it's going forward or not. I don't know if I can turn this on with this in here. So I'm just gonna take it out and put another drill in here. And if you're wondering what's in this bag over here, I'm gonna get to it right now. So this bag was a nice gift from my friend Kyra. You're gonna be checking her out soon because she's gonna be having her own YouTube channel too as well. She does nails, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna put her information down for her Instagram. So if you can see here, this was the push and motivation for me to hurry up and buy everything that I needed, because I was like, oh, I don't know what polygel to buy and everything. And then look, Christmas came early. So this was so nice. I can't believe it. When she gave me this bag, I was like, oh my God, oh my God. Look at all these nice things here. I was so excited. I wanted to cry. So thank you, Kyra, once again. I appreciate you. I love you. So I have 3 different brands here to try. So I have the Gershion, I hope I'm saying that right, the Makartt, and the Saviland. So I have about 26 different colors here to try. She also was nice enough. She gave me the dual forms. She gave me the slip solution. And then, if that wasn't enough, she gave me these babies over here. So she gave me some of these double thick nail forms as well, which is nice. I tried one. It's really thick and I liked it. And then got some more of those. I was gonna purchase this on Amazon and she was like, don't buy it because I already have some. And I was like, really? I want to get it. She was like, no, I'll give it to you. So she gave me some of these, which was good because then I have the gel polishes, which I have to soak off, so that's good. And I think most of these you have to soak up as well, besides using the drill. And then she gave me all 3 of the ones from these 3 different brands as well. So I have the brush and the picker from all 3, which I guess we can go over them when I use them. I mean, it's just the picker and the brush. So this one was from Makartt. I have the one from Saviland and then the one from Gershion. And then she also gave me some nail glue, and then she gave me the nail prep and nail primer, which I did end up buying another one too, which you're gonna see in the next video. So this was so nice. This is thanks to Kyra. Thank you so much once again, Kyra. I cannot wait to try all of these colors out. These are like so amazing. We have like transition colors too. Look at this one. From purple to white. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So I can't wait to use those. So we're going to be trying all these things out together. So stay tuned for the next one, where I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I was able to purchase on Amazon. So stay tuned for the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.